probably finna trigger some people. Who cares? This is ranch, and here are 5 things that ranch needs to go on every time you eat it. 5. Number 1, ranch belongs on all your pizza. I don't care about your dipping sauce. I don't care what you do. I don't care what you choose. If you don't put ranch on your pizza, then you just not American. You just not human. You just do not belong to this damn planet. I don't know what house you was brought up in, but no slice of pizza, whether it be cheese, vegetarian. I don't know what kind of alien, Martian, sick, maniac person eats a vegetarian pizza. Whatever it is, ranch better be the dipping sauce of your choice. 2, spaghetti. Ranch doused over spaghetti just makes the spaghetti taste better. Now, it could be any kind of spaghetti. It could be the white cream sauce. It could be dry spaghetti. It could be marinated spaghetti. It could be bolognese, bologna. You know that damn B-word spaghetti? Any kind of spaghetti deserves ranch on top of it. And you got to mix it up to it sound like macaroni in a pot, or it sound like your woman at 3 a.m. Whatever it is, make sure your spaghetti has ranch on top of it. Ranch goes over plain baked chicken. Now, I know what you're thinking. Josh, you being exotic. Yes, I am. I'm the kind of person that'll pour ranch into a navel and suck it up inside a refrigerator. Put ranch on your baked chicken. Just season your chicken. Don't add nothing to it. Don't add no sauces, no nothing. Season your chicken, then add ranch on top of your chicken. You will bite into that and you will taste a piece of heaven. That will make you want to go to church every single Sunday and get closer to the upper room just so you can go to heaven and eat baked chicken with your ranch. Number 4, plain white rice. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Josh, on plain white rice and having some butter, no, butter ain't enough. Salt and pepper ain't enough. Pour some ranch over some plain rice. Mix it in a bowl and eat it by the spoonful. You welcome. Now, me and my chubby weight have had me in some hard times, and hard times make the best meals. When you broke and you poor and you got nothing to turn to, and all you got in your refrigerator is some jasmine rice and some Nature's Valley, Hidden Valley Ranch, then damn it, you gonna do what you gotta do. And I did what I had to do, and I discovered a masterpiece. Shakespeare, or that person that makes all the pictures with a head over here, the eyeball over here, the penis over here, the shoulder over here, Picasso, would have never thought ranch over white rice would do you justice, but it did. And number 5, ranch over cottage cheese and pepper. Now, this may blow your mind. I want you to take some cottage cheese. I want you to pepper it a little bit. Then I want you to sprinkle some ranch. And you can't sprinkle ranch because ranch ain't dry. You can't sprinkle it. But I just want you to lightly pour ranch on your cottage cheese. And then you don't mix that. You just eat it right off the top. Treat the ranch as if it was whipped cream. Now, you put some ranch on your whipped cream, or you put some ranch on your cottage cheese because the ranch is the whipped cream, you will have your eyes rolling in the back of your head. If you've never had an orgasm in your mouth, ranch and cottage cheese with some pepper on it will give you exactly what you've never experienced, what you never had, and what you've been missing all your life. My name is Josh Pray, and I am an advocate for ranch. All ranch, bye. I want ranch for my next contract with anybody I sign with.